Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe at your places. Okay, today we are going to learn the literacy. In literacy, we are going to learn the letter F. Before letter F, we have learned letter A, B, C, D, E. Now F. Okay? Now I will tell you the sound story of letter F. One day there was a fox. Fox was fishing fish with the fishing rod, and the frog was jumping, and the flag was near the river, and on the other side of the river there was two friends, Fardeen and Fatima. They both came to do picnic. Fatima was pouring water from the funnel, and Fardeen is having fruits. The folk is lying on the grass. Can you see the flowers? See flowers? Flowers are there near the river, and one fence is also there near the river. देखो अब ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं? फॉक्स फिशिंग कर रहा है, फिशिंग रॉड से. बाजू में क्या है? फ्लैग. फ्रॉग क्या कर रहा है? जंप. फरदीन एंड फातिमा पिकनिक करने आए हैं इधर. फरदीन के पास फ्रूट्स है, फातिमा पानी डाल रही है फनल के अंदर से. फ्लावर्स है, फोक ग्रास के ऊपर पड़ा है, और फेंस भी है इधर. Okay kids, now we will see how many F word we have learned now. Fox, fishing rod, fish, flag, frog, Fardeen, fruits, Fatima, funnel, folk, flower, fence. Yes? Now I tell you the sound of F. F sounds fuzzy fly, fuzzy fly, fuzzy fly, fuzzy fly on my cake. This is the phonic sound of F. I have sent you the phonic sound video. Kindly watch that video for the phonic sound of F. Fuzzy fly, fuzzy fly, fuzzy fly, fuzzy fly on my cake. Okay kids, kindly watch that video every day. Watch the phonic sound video every day. Okay? When teacher will call you, teacher will ask you the sounds of the letter. Okay kids? Now I will show you the F words. In my mini alpha book, F for fan, F for fruits, F for flower, flower. F for frog. Frog. F for fish. Fish. देखो जब हम कोई भी वर्ड बोल रहे हैं हमारा साउंड क्या आ रहा है? Yes. F for frog. Frog. F for foot. Foot. F for flute. Flute. F for fox. Fox. F for fairy. Fairy. F for fly. Fly. Okay, these all are F words. You have to learn these words. F for fan. F for flower. F for fruits. F for frog. F for fish. F for frock. फ्रॉक जो पहनते ही गर्ल्स पहनती है ना जो, उसको फ्रॉक. F for foot. F for flute. F for fox. F for fairy. F for fly. Okay kids, have you all understood? Okay, now I will show you how to write F. Okay kids.